Convert a string representation of a dictionary to a dictionary. How can I convert the str representation of a dict, such as the following string, into a dict? I prefer not to use eval. What else can I use? The main reason for this is one of my co-worker's classes he wrote converts all input into strings. I'm not in the mood to go and modify his classes to deal with this issue.
You can use the built-in as.literal_eval. This is safer than using eval, as its own docs say. For example,
this URL. JSON can solve this problem, though its decoder wants double quotes around keys and values. If you don't mind a replace hack. Note that if you have single quotes as a part of your keys or values, this will fail due to improper character replacement. This solution is only recommended if you have a strong aversion to the eval solution. More about JSON single quote. jQuery.parseChain throws invalid JSON error due to escape single quote in JSON.
Using JSON.loads.
To ops example, we can use YAML to deal with this kind of non-standard JSON in string.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.